I was out at Menards today and I was blown away when I thought I saw a Pontiac Firebird. I literally was hoping like, oh, wouldn't this be great if this was like a GM plant to see reactions. They have done things like that in the past. I just was really excited. Even my wife was really taken with it. I took this video of the car because I just thought, man, you just don't see something like this. I just hadn't seen anything like that. And tied that along with a couple months ago, I think it was Car and Driver, one of the big magazines, a big ad in the back, and it was almost portending to the beginnings of trying to bring Pontiac back, and it was speculating that it was GM trying to test out the waters. So I thought, well, maybe it was going to bring some credence to it. I kind of hung around just to see if I could find out who the owner of this vehicle was. Finally, I did see a gentleman come out, and it turns out this is a conversion kit. He just mentioned something about Dearborn, Michigan. I went online and I found a place that sells a kit that lets you convert a Camaro to a lookalike Firebird, or Trans Am in this case. I just wanted to share it here in this video. It got my hopes up thinking, oh, this is awesome. I do wish they'd bring it back. I kind of resigned myself to thinking, those days are over, the V8s are over, the Challenger's gone away from Dodge. The whole thing just feels kind of sad with Camaro going away and the Ford Mustang's about the only thing left. It just feels like everything, the V8s are going the way of the dodo. Hey, maybe we can still dream, right? I thought I'd share it with you. Any of you interested in that Pontiac Trans Am kit, I'll put a link down below. I still think it looks pretty cool. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.